Would really prefer to see if I could get a slightly better entry here. 91.25. Looking for a target down to 84.50. And the only reason I'm being a little bit picky on my entry here is because this is a situation where I really need to see this. I just don't want to sell that far down, you know what I mean? There we go. Target filled. So I needed a better price, got a better price, worked out perfectly. In short at 91.25, out at 84.5. If you have multiple contracts and new load, definitely a good objective.
Coronavirus at Planet Fitness in West Virginia. That's PLNT.